It's been kind of rainy today. We had a snow day yesterday, and now it's raining, and it's super duper foggy outside. I just finished work, and I've got a lot of errands to run, so I'm gonna run those errands. But yeah, I don't know what I want to talk about actually. I just want to preface how important it is to have connections. Like recently, both my friends that I'm closest with traveled outside of the country. One went to Pakistan and the other one went to Saudi. So it was a lot of, I was like alone for a long time. Like I didn't have anyone to properly hang out with other than my siblings. And the only other place I would be going was to work or even to the gym. Honestly, I still like the gym. But I wanted to start studying. Oh, what's going on here? That's a nice car. Sorry, I just saw an Audi. I have a thing for German cars. I don't know why. The only thing I will ever look at and call hot while walking by is our cars. German cars. Okay. So yeah, they weren't here for a bit, and honestly, it's like I missed them so much that I forgot what it was like to hang out with them. And I caught up with my one friend who came back from Saudi, and I literally talked. I spent 7 hours with her, and we were just talking, chilling, doing things, and I missed it so much. And I forgot to do that because I can't like lounge around my siblings with me all the time, you know? Like I can only do it for a bit before both them and I get annoyed of each other, because that's how it works with siblings. So there's this one area actually that I drive by. It's a cemetery, but right after the cemetery there's literally a kindergarten preschool, and I find it so funny the contrast between the two. One's like where life has just started and the other one's death. Like it's crazy to think about that. Random thought. And but what whose idea was it to put them together though? That's like right beside each other. This is kind of therapeutic though. Just driving and talking. Driving is like my favorite thing to do. And driving, especially listening to music. I'm gonna do that actually. I just wanted to do a little catch up though. And another thing I realized too was that we have these problems and we want the answer to them. But usually you can find the answer within the problem. Like if I had a question of like, how can I get better at this? Or why can't I do this? Just do it. Just do it, man. It's gonna suck in the beginning. It's gonna not be so great. I don't know if I look like a psychopath talking to myself right now, but new mentality, I don't care. People seeing me, I look like I'm vlogging to myself. I could care less. Care about the right things. Like I was reading in that book that I probably mentioned in a previous video of mine, The Subtle Art of Not Giving Enough, where you choose what you want to give an F about, what you care about, what you want to care about, like what's important to you, and just only remember those things. Outsiders' opinions don't matter. What matters is your opinion of yourself, and obviously God, if you believe in God. But nothing else should matter, because life's too short to be worrying about things that don't matter, about things that'll take a toll on you for absolutely no reason and cause you stress. And you don't need that in your life. You don't. There's a new driver sticker on the car in front of me. They literally merged in halfway from the right lane to the left one. That explains it. Okay, it looks like nothing has changed within the past few seconds of you watching this video, but I went inside. My music cut the video off. So I just basically grabbed some food at home. Had some nahari. It was nahari. I said that's so weird. I had some nahari and naan. It was really good, and now I'm about to head out and actually do the things. So first stop, I'm actually not gonna go to the bank first. I'm gonna go pick up my dad's dry cleaning because it's on the way. need to figure out what else I need to get because my sister wants to bake some cookies. So we're gonna be baking some chocolate chip cookies. Which I don't even know when we'll do that, but I'll get the ingredients at least. Okay, I'm gonna hop off, girl. I'm gonna hop off now. Okay, bye. What is going on here? What is he doing? You're so cute. I actually have not used this bag once. This is the first time I'm using it. I'm back home. I am all warm now. And I did end up getting ingredients for the chocolate chip cookies that my little sister wanted to make, so we're gonna make them together now. Okay, hope they taste good. Also, this thing is actually not too bad, but putting this onto my shoulder is the hard part. It's not too heavy. But yeah.
Yeah, it's important that the butter is not hot, slightly warm. Okay,
I don't know if it's...
Okay, it's fine.
Ooh.
Okay, it says whisk vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay, sweet. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, look at all that sugar. Maybe we should add in a little bit and then put the rest of the chocolate chips on the top so that they'd show.
No, you do that when you're making the cookie.
You're gonna add more.
No, you add more on the top and then they like melt on the top.
Yeah.
This is inside the cookie. That's not even that much chocolate chip, girl. It's not even
Feels
that
like
much.
a lot of sugar.
Bake for 10 to 12 minutes.
It's too funny. What the hell happened?
Yeah,
It's the one big cookie. Okay. Holy. I think we need to let it sit for a bit to cool down. Just cut it and then we can just let it sit for a bit. What the heck is that? I'm so tired. It's way too early for this. Okay, it's like really early in the morning. I have a busy day today too, and I thought I might as well vlog it a little bit. I'm going to work and then I'm going to see my friends who I haven't seen in like over a while. Well, I saw one of my friends, but I haven't seen the other one in like 2 months. So this could be fun. Okay. Why are you so cute? What the heck? Princey. Princey. Okay, I am back. Now my workday is done and my friends are coming over to they're just coming over to meet me here. And we're gonna go head out to UTM. I just quickly prayed and now I'm gonna get ready. I'm actually debating if am I really gonna get any work done today? Probably not, because I'm with my friends. I have this bad habit of wanting to go to study. Sometimes I'll be in the mood. Sometimes I won't be in the mood. And it really depends on the vibe of my other friend. I don't know. We'll see what I even do today. But yeah, I haven't seen them in a bit and I'm excited. I'm going to watch a movie tonight. Oh my god, hi! Hello!
Let us say hi!
Over there! Close my door!
Oh my god!
Leave it open in park.
Run us over.
She's getting closer to the side.
Oh my lord! How's it back being in the snow? Seeing the snow?
What kind of question is that? What kind of...
Oh my god.
I look better on your camera. Why do I
There's
look...
something
Okay,
about the
still.
11. There's something about the 11 that just makes it look so good.
I thought it was not a picture.
It's not a phone, it's a video. Okay, I'm ready. I'm waiting.
Yes.
Oh my.
Yes. Okay, I know you're not supposed to wonder it. Yeah. Hi.
Cutie.
So cute, I missed you.
Don't bite me and I'll slap you.
No. Oh, he didn't like that.
Oh, what is this? She got me flowers. Look, smell.
So
I need to show my cousins.
So cute. Enjoying this luxury.
Never did him like this.
No, that's what he's been in honest good behavior lately.
I guess he's
Big
missing
cat.
the
Oh my
mom.
god. You look like Sam.
Actually,
He's
compared to
huge.
the other cats, right? He's like really big.
He's huge now.
Huge.
Huge, yeah.
He also has a stomach though.
He's a whole
He's
lion.
not a street cat. That's why he looks like that.
He's a whole lion.
Oh my god. Oh my
I
god.
want to do that.
Cute.
Okay, bye.
Prince, can I? What's a frog?
I thought it'd be like, you know,
Like a
Today has been a very long day. I don't even know why I'm vlogging this. I just feel like I've been doing so much and I just want to keep memory of it. But I hung out with my friends and it was a lot of fun. We went to a dessert spot and I also had poutine from another place. It was good. It was just kind of cold. But now I'm waiting on my friend because we're gonna go watch a movie. And it's only 9 p.m. So there's a lot left to the day and it's a 2.5-hour movie watching The Hunger Games. So let's see how that goes. She said she already watched it, but we're gonna watch it in theaters. It's the last showing they had and I was not gonna miss out on it. So yeah, I'm excited. She said it was really good, so. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, bye.
And we're all look pretty for mommy.
Well, maybe just a little off the
I bet you figured I'd pass with the winter be something. But I'm in the trees, I'm in the trees.
That was just so good. I want to like rewatch that.
Really?
Yeah. Oh.
Look at your mom. You look like my aunt.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, wait. I have to make it easier for myself.
There's this one car blocking our way. Otherwise, we could have left and actually
is
beat
it?
traffic. Please tell me. Thank
Yes,
the Lord.
sir.
Horrible. His English is good though.
Probably fluent.
I can't even.
Oh, we're filming. Why do I look extra young today? It's the Masjid glow.
It's the message.
Jamaa
It's the
Jamaa.
Noor after. I literally have Noor on my face. So cute. Why does it actually look so nice today? Yeah, it's so much more water in here. What?
It smells good though.
Oh, because they call it the hazel in the calendar in my room. Please tell me why we came all the way here to do some studying. And we've been chilling for what, an hour? Not studying. And when I finally get ready, we both finally get ready to study. It's closing in 30 minutes.
No, we're closing in 30 minutes.
I just started. I literally got set up. I was taking my charger out and everything.
Give me a second to forget I ever really meant to.
Confident highway driver.
No, it's the exact same. Wait, show it. Let's compare it afterwards.
It's literally almost like it's just a little blurry, but other than that, it's literally what was happening at the back.
It says airport.
Yeah, Airport Road. Remember Park and Fly?
Park and Fly, yeah. We used it one time, remember?
Yeah, we did.
It's
Check where
yeah,
it says
one. It's
Eastern
one. Because it doesn't say here.
Icelander. Creator.
One, right?
Yeah.
Pakistani.
Haven't seen you in a bit, honey.
Good.
Thank you. Yeah, आपके लिए.
Thanks.
Okay, that's the end of the vlog. I have nothing else to add to this video. I enjoyed myself. I had a lot of fun. Life's been good and life, inshallah, will stay good. Okay, peace out. Catch you guys in the next one then.